Hey guys, I'm Dr. Kumra. Hope you're doing well out there. I don't know if you guys know this, but I did a little Invisalign treatment on myself a few years ago. So when you guys come in complaining about the attachments and the soreness, not being able to graze on that snack all day, I know what you mean. At the beginning of your treatment, we gave you a bunch of little goodies in a bag, one of which was these guys here, Chewies. What these guys are aligner seeders. With the aligners in, we ask you at home, don't have to do this in public, again, with the aligners in, you want to take these guys and chew on them on individual sets of teeth. What that'll do is help make sure that the aligners are tracking well. Guys, this does not replace your responsibility to wear these for 22 hours a day. The only time the aligners should be out are when you're eating or drinking anything besides water. All we're trying to do is make sure your treatment is as fast and efficient and short as possible. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, please don't ever hesitate. Give me or my office a call. Thanks.